Hi, my name is Edmar Lazarus Bicamacha. I'm going to uh, represent present the Gen Math PBA one. So in a rational function, two love-struck high school boys had a crush on the same girl in their class. Both of them planned on confessing to her on Valentine's Day, which is 5 days from now. As desperate as they are, they resorted to making 1,000 paper cranes before Valentine's Day to make their wish come true. Boy A finished making the 1,000 cranes in 6 days, while Boy B finished in 8 days. If both of them make cranes together without letting the other know that they had the same crush, would both of their wish be granted? So for the solution here is, to solve this problem, we find the ratio of both of their individual work rate per day thus 1/6 for boy A, 1/8 for boy B. Since they would work together, we find their combined work rate per day thus 7/24. To find how long they would take if they work together, we make T as a representing variable for how many days they would take, then make it equivalent to their combined work rate, thus 7/24, and flip both sides of the equation and divide it. So 1/t is equals to 7 divided by 24, and t over 1 is 24 divided by 7. Thus t is equals to 3.43. So they would have taken 3.43 days, and yes, their wish would be granted. And the next question is, Kent can paint a certain room in 6 hours, but Kendra needs 4 hours to paint the same room. How long does it take them to paint the same room if they work together? So the solution here is, we know that Kent has 1/6, and then Kendra has 1/4. So thus we add it, so it's 1 over x, or x is equals to 1. So that's 1 hour if they work together. So the next is evaluating functions. Mr. Sanchez has the function of -2 in his disposal and find the value of function of -2. So how we solve this is that we find the value of the -2, does the following is, we have function of x equals to x is x x x squared plus 1. Then we put the -2 to function of x, so -2 squared plus 1, and we multiply it, so the answer will be equals to 4 plus 1. Thus the answer is function of -2 is 5. Thus Mrs. Sanchez's disposals are the function of -2 equals to 5. Next question. Morty got the 5 blasters that he gave to Rick. How much did Rick produce after the 5 blasters? Find the function of 5, and the function of x is x is -1. That's that. So the solution is, we put 5 on the function of x, thus 6 times 5 -1. So the answer will be, first we will add, multiply 6 and 5. so thus we have 30, and then we'll minus it to 1, so the answer will be 29. Thus the answer is function of 5 is equals to 29. The last one is exponential function. Between the relationship of their footing that gave 2 raised to x plus 1 of his money to his wife that already have 3 raised to x that can be equal to 72. Find the exponential function of it. So first, we will multiply it by 2 is raised to x times 2 times 3 is raised to x equals 72. That is our given now. So after that, we'll multiply 3 and 3 2 and 3, thus 6 is raised to x multiple times to 2 is equals to 72. So 6 raised to x is 72. So 6 raised to x is equals to 6 raised 6 cubed. So the answer is x equals to 2. Thank you. That's for my presentation. Thank you for watching.